Some basic maintenance tasks can be done alongside a visual inspection for a sand filter system that will help keep it healthy and working properly. Regularly remove leaves, trash, and other debris from the inlet and pretreatment areas to prevent clogging. Periodically scoop out accumulated sediment from the pretreatment basin or the forebay. Gently rake the top layer of the sand filter to break up any crust that forms, which can improve filtration and prevent clogging. Trim any overgrown vegetation around the system that might block inlets or outlets, and remove invasive plants that can damage the filter. Ensure that the system is functioning properly and that water flows freely through the filter. While these tasks can keep the system in good working order, it's still important to have a professional conduct more thorough inspections and maintenance periodically. Stormwater professionals should handle maintenance tasks such as replacing the sand layer should it become clogged or contaminated, repairing integral parts of the structure, and inspecting and repairing the underdrain system. Basic routine maintenance can extend the life of a system and ensure it operates effectively between professional maintenance visits.